I just want to give you this little sneak peek before the video gets started. This is for my friend Blake Fathom. He's the videographer that's been helping me make all these awesome videos. And this just came in today. So this build is for him. He has no idea. He just graduated from high school a couple weeks ago, and I told him that our local bike shop is allowing us to film this, but he has absolutely no idea. So stay tuned for a surprise reaction at the end of the video. And we're also in the process of working on this guy behind here. I'm not going to reveal it just yet, but stay tuned for these videos to come.
What's up, y'all? I'm Fathom. I've been out here with Andrew since the butt crack of dawn, building this Fathom 29. It is a sweet bike, and we've really enjoyed making a sweet video for it.
Would you consider it a dream bike?
It would. I would love to have one of these.
Oh yeah? What if I told you that it was yours?
No.
It's your bike.
Are you serious?
I am serious. This is your bike.
What the crap?
This is for you. Yeah. Congratulations, man. You got your bike stolen. You graduated from high school. You're a great friend. Thought I'd gift you just something that we could use together and have fun with. So it's all yours, man.
Thank you, Andrew.
Extra large.
That's why it's extra large.
Yeah,
too.
for someone who's 6'3", yeah, it wouldn't fit me for sure. So it's all yours, man.
I'm so ready to ride.
Yeah, exactly. Sweet. Yeah.
Thank you.
Anytime.
Bro.
Yeah.
Dude, this is so awesome.
Yep.
I want to ride it.
Dude, let's go. Awesome.